This 2018 Coachmen Chaparral 391 QSMB is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep's 8 LP detector, air conditioning, microwave, water heater, leveling jacks, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, stovetop burner, refrigerator, slide-out. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, mid-bunk. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Coachmen Chaparral 391 QSMB is 12,063 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.